This is Locksmith Silva here. I got here Diego Locksmith Diego. He's gonna open a master number 5. I think that was the worst lock I could ever open. And Diego came and he put his super duper locksmith professionalism in there. So he's gonna lock pick it right on camera.
Let's see.
Diego's a very good locksmith. He knows how to pick practically everything. And master locks are supposed to be the easiest locks out there to pick, right, Diego?
Yep, supposed to, but this one has something.
Man, that one, I don't know what they do. They put like a little secret pin in there.
I'm gonna change the lock pick. Let me try this pick.
Okay. Now he's gonna go with the Forest, 18,000. Hey, there we go. Look at that. He got it open with the Forest. Be safe and do not steal.